Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time once again to open the Facetory subscription. This is absolutely one of my favorite subscriptions that I get. This is from Facetory. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link for you, as well as an affiliate code that I have not set up my business in yet to get the affiliate profits. I'll get to it eventually. Again, a little significance here to me. There are two options of Facetory you can get. The first one is the Forever Fresh Kit, and that is what comes to you here in this bag. That is $5.95 per month plus $2.95 shipping and handling and tax. The other option is the Seven-Lux Kit. That comes to you actually in a box. You're going to receive 7 masks in that. That one is $15.95 per month plus $3.95 shipping, handling, and tax. The vast majority of the masks are going to be Korean beauty, Korean skincare related, and Korean brands. So I'm going to go over the masks that I used last month, and then we will go ahead and unbag and see what we got this month. So the first one I used up is the Collagen Anti-Wrinkle Mask that is in this oh so pretty purpley shiny packaging. This one was very nice. It was very moisturizing. It felt very plumping on the skin after you used it, which I would expect that from a mask that has collagen in it. Definitely felt like I was a little plumped up. Of course, the effects don't last forever, but it was nice while I had it on. I did eventually find the package for the Daily Fresh Garden Mask and Pomegranate that I used the month previous. And again, this one was very nice. So super full of serum. You could have just, slathered it everywhere, and I put it just about everywhere I could. Very, very nice. I really, really do like these masks that come from Skin Planet. And the I Love Myself mask. Oh my God, this was flipping amazingly adorable. This is supposed to be a makeup boosting mask, so I did use this before I applied makeup. I would say it kind of works kind of like Quick Fix does, where it kind of gives you a vitamin boost, and it does actually help your skin smooth and calm down, so when you put on your makeup it goes on nicer. But what was so adorable about this mask, and it was such a cute little surprise, is that I put it on and it had a little message here on the cheek that said, I love myself. And you know what? I don't remember exactly what it says, so I'll throw in a picture so that you can see it. But that was so adorable. So I am really excited to see if I get any more masks from this company, 2-pack age, because that was really, really cute. And now let's move on to see what we got this month. So this month we got our little card. It says on here, where to next. So this month's theme is destination. Also it has here, use code destination20 and get 20% off at the marketplace. That is one of the nicest things about Facetory, is the masks that they send you are really easy to find. If you go to their website, they'll be in the marketplace to buy, which is nice because sometimes, well, a lot of times, especially with Korean beauty skincare, you find something you really like and it's so difficult to track it down again. So they do that for you. They have a marketplace, and use that code and you get 20% off your order. So the first mask we have up here, this is the Botanic Farm Rose Mask. Did you know that since ancient days, roses have been the ultimate symbol of love? Well, we want to show our love by bringing you this rose mask that will naturally brighten your skin. This next one up here, oh my God, this packaging is so cute. This is from Yada, and this is the Smoothing Mask Pack. The cacti on the packaging of this mask makes us want to book a trip to the desert right away. Once it's booked, we'd use this Yada Smoothing Mask Pack to soothe and relax our skin. Our next one up here, again, another flippin', I'm such a sucker for cute packaging, and this looks adorable. This next one here comes to us from Medius. This is the Ampule Synergy Mask. Full of jelly essence, this mask is amazing to use for the hotter summer months with its light and non-runny consistency. This Ampule Synergy Mask will hydrate and moisturize your skin to keep it ready for your next getaway. And our last mask here, this one comes from Nature Republic, and this is the Real Nature Mask Sheet with acai berry. I don't know, do you guys say acai or acai? I say acai. To me, it makes more sense. Anywho. Yum! Not only are acai berries the perfect summer snack, it's also an amazing ingredient to get bright and healthy looking skin. So those are the masks that came this month. I'm really excited to try them. I've always loved a rose mask. It is very calming to the skin, so I've always loved anything with rose in it. This little Yada smoothing mask pack with the cactus, I'm really excited to try this. Honestly, I'm always excited to try every mask I get, but sometimes a few of them, they take precedence over the other. This little Ampule Synergy mask. I'm sorry, that packaging has just got me dying here. It is so stinking cute. I am definitely excited to try this one out because I always love a mask that has got some kind of fruit extract in it. You know, it kind of gives you a little bit of maybe that lactic acid type deal thing going on. Anywho, excited to give this one a try too. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Again, if you're interested in getting Facetory and you want to save 20% off your first order, feel free to use that affiliate code down below there. Again, not making any commission because I'm just never think about fixing all that up until I'm sitting here filming the unbagging. Anyway, as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Forever, stop in time. Yeah, I'm